Hi guys, this is Boss Lady Shruti, and let me just first start off by saying,
Dude, Miniso. Like, seriously, Miniso. What is up with you? I do not understand your deal.
you guys are so freaking amazing! I don't know what kind of sorcery this little place has that it sucks me in every time I freaking step into that store. And I have mentioned this previously also that everything in Dubai is like double the price. You cannot get anything which is like sasta masta mal over here in Dubai. People living over here will kind of resonate with my feeling, but I feel like Miniso is like the place that I go to just feel good about my pocket. Otherwise, if I go to the mall, I'm just going to come out not knowing where I've spent 1,000 dirhams. And I'm not even kidding you guys, it's possible. You will not know how you've spent 1,000 dirhams. And 1,000 dirhams is 18,000 rupees. So for guys who don't know what Miniso is, this is, so it's like kind of a chain of Japanese souvenir shop wherein you get all these knickknacks of a variety of items, from skincare to stationery to even like basic like undergarments, caps, sunglasses, makeup, a whole shebang of things. So today I'm going to be doing a haul mainly of Miniso skincare, and ever since I came to Dubai, you guys know that I was suffering from a lot of acne, and I believe it was also a lot to do with the fact that I was moving countries and I was going through a lot of stress because moving process can be pretty stressful, and you know, change in weather, etc, etc. So ever since I came here, I kind of discovered Miniso, and I saw that their skincare range was pretty affordable. And when I started trying out like one product here and there, I felt like it really suited me and I really loved using their skincare. So this time I kind of went in depth and got quite a lot of things. So most of the things that I got are skincare. First up is this Sakura Water Bright Cleansing Balm. This is what it looks like. I have done a small Insta tutorial on this on my feed, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, well, this is a good time to click that link, go give me a follow, and you'll know what I'm talking about. So this is basically like a cleansing balm, and it is a very, very good and affordable dupe for the Clinique Take the Day Off balm, because after I was introduced to the Clinique Take the Day Off balm to remove my makeup, I honestly haven't used a cotton pad and a makeup remover to remove my face, honestly, because I swear by that product, and it is so revolutionary in my mind for like makeup and skincare that I will not want to use anything else to remove my makeup from now on. And when I saw this, I was like, my mind was just like, is this even for real? Is this going to even work? I don't know. And when I got it home and I started using it, I felt like it was kind of the same thing for literally the fraction of a price. I think the Clinique one is for 3,000, whereas this is for Indian rupees, say 700, which is a little less than 40 dirhams. So I was just like, I need to share this with my peeps. So yeah, I got actually two, because one is for my friend Umang. If you guys don't know her, I did a transformation video on her, and I shall link it here so that you can check it out. So yeah, if you guys are going to Miniso, definitely ask if they have this over there, and just get it if you can. It's, trust me, worth every penny. Next up, we have some serums and creams. This first one is Tender Rose Moisturizing Serum, Moisture Barrier for Skin. This is what it looks like. The packaging of this is so pretty. I was obviously, that's why drawn in. And when I tried this in the store, I felt like it absorbed into my skin very, very quickly. And I hate products that kind of leave that tacky feeling on my skin. A, because I have oily skin, and B, it's also a pet peeve of mine. I cannot like stand like this sticky feeling on my skin. It just makes me feel very uncomfortable and icky, and this literally got absorbed into my skin in like 2 seconds, which to me is a very great thing. Also, this smells like it says this is Tender Rose Moisturizing Serum, so it smells amazing. Next up, we have this Active Repair Cream, which says it's made in Korea. Okay, so the reason why I picked this one up is because I've been using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost for a while now, for almost like over a month now, and I love that to bits. And when it got over, I felt like I just want to try something out which is similar to that, but maybe in another brand. You know, I was just venturing out. So I saw this. This is the reason why I picked this up is because here it says that it contains an emulsifier that helps moisturizing and strengthening the skin layer, so it prevents and minimizes the moisture to evaporate from skin, delivering smooth and long-lasting moisturized skin. So I felt that this would be a very good moisturizer to use during the day, because in UAE especially, there is a lot of, there's not like a lot of pollution, but there's a lot of humidity. Also because here like sandstorms can happen anytime. So I felt like this would act as a good protective layer for your skin during the day, and also kind of underneath makeup, and give you like a flawless base for anything that you put on top, like primer, foundation, etc. Next up, coming to nighttime skincare, I have this I'm sorry, all these things are called whitening, but the reason why I got it is because it has vitamin C in it, and disclaimer, I obviously do not want to become white in any shape, size or form. I'm very happy with my tan skin. In fact, I enjoy being a little tan and like golden, because the highlight be popping when you're golden, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
But the reason why I picked this one up is because, again, when I tried the serum on my hand, I felt like it absorbed into my skin very, very quickly, and vitamin C is also known to brighten, and currently I just have a few acne scars and, you know, red marks that I want to kind of address on my skin, so I felt like this would work well for that. I also have the cream variant of the same line, which also says some whitening bullshit, but like I said, vitamin C, that's why I got it. And I always feel like if you get two things that marry each other in terms of active ingredients, you're getting double the benefits, and your skin is getting kind of targeted care or repair. So yeah, that's why I like going in with the same range of products at one time, if I'm making sense. Moving on. Next up, I have something supremely exciting. This is the Tender Rose Moisturizing Sleeping Mask. Okay, so I know that there is this Drunk Elephant Watermelon Sleeping Mask that has taken the internet by storm, and all beauty bloggers are talking about it, and I wanted to try a sleeping mask for a very long time, and when I came across this was also for like 30 or 40 dirhams, which is about say 600-700 rupees, and I felt like this was a good kind of starting point for me to see if I like the sleeping mask sort of routine in my skincare before I kind of invest into something which is, you know, that high end and expensive. So that's why I got this. Again, it smells like roses. It smells amazing. And the way that you're supposed to use a sleeping mask is obviously remove your makeup, cleanse your face, tone your face, then put your serum, then put your moisturizer, and then put a sleeping mask, because the sleeping mask kind of really locks everything in and ensures that all that serum and cream and everything you're putting is inside. No coming out. No. You stay in. You work on those dark spots. Yes, stay in. Yeah. Sleeping mask. Ka-ching. Next up, I got these 3D eyelashes full volume. This is what it looks like. I love eyelashes, and since the time I've gotten a somewhat hang of putting them on, I feel like I just cannot do a look without eyelashes. I usually buy a lot of my eyelashes nowadays from Miniso. Even this one that I got, this was the one that I got previously from Miniso. This is what I have on my ass today. This is what I got from there, and this is a very kind of everyday, not so fluttery, just kind of daytime glam. And this, honey, is where the party is at, because this is really fluffy and it's kind of double layered, and yeah, this is the jam. Next up, I have a makeup brush. This is the Miniso Makeup Tools Pro Fine Round Powder Brush. This is what it looks like. Honestly guys, this looks so luxurious and the bristles are so soft. I use this to powder my face today, like to put my setting powder and face powder on. This is brilliant, and the quality of this brush and the way it functions, I am just in love. So yeah, I'm loving using this brush, and oh, so soft. I really wish you guys could feel this right now. It's freaking amazing. Love it. Next up, we have this makeup sponge that I got. This is a little dirty because I did use it on my face today. I kind of have mixed feelings about this. You know, when I was buying this itself, I was like, even should I buy it? Because my previous experience with beauty sponges, which are not like either like a Real Techniques or like a pack or the beauty blender, etc., they've not really worked well for me because I feel like they're not squishy and like nice and fluffy enough. But I was like, anyways, before, like, I just thought like, let me give it a go, because this was like 5 dirhams or 10 dirhams, and yeah, this is not that nice, to be honest. You can skip on this totally. It's really cute when it's like sitting on your counter, but it's not that functional. I wouldn't say that it's like terrible, and I wouldn't say that it is brilliant. I will use it maybe now and then if I have nothing else, but I don't think I will grab onto this every time I do my face. But I also know that the reason why I got this is because I like really baking under my jawline, like here and here, and this is brilliant for that, because this shape is very nice if you want to bake underneath your jawline. And if there is just one thing that I would use this for, I would use this to bake underneath my jawline. Last but definitely not the least, I got this so chic Korean style long lasting lip liner. This is in the shade Fruity Red. This is what it looks like. This is what I have on my lips today. This is what I line my lips with, and then I went in with Huda Beauty Sugar Mama, and I kind of muted it down with the Maybelline lip gradation in mauve. So that's what's on my lips, if anyone's wondering. So from my one-time use that I did use this, I think that it is very nice. This was for about, say, 15 dirhams. It's not so it's still very affordable. I feel like this compares to a Miss Claire back home. A few products are kind of really nice for their price range, but a few are a definite miss. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do like a full face of Miniso makeup. I am dying. Like, I would not be mad if that video happens. Comment down below and let me know. So yes, that is it. That is all the awesome shiz that I got from Miniso, and keep an eye out on my Instagram to see all the other tidbits that I keep getting from Miniso here and there. I've gotten like sunglasses, caps. It's just like paradise on earth, but affordable. So yes, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Out there, women are in their 70s and they look like each other's sisters, and I'm not even freaking kidding you guys. Okay. Because mama like layers cakes. I'm like, girl. I think this was for about 10 or 12 dirhams, which is 180. which is about say 1, 2, 3, 4, which is about say 250 rupees or less. Once I go into the store, it's like a kid in a candy store. God save me.